Welcome to Inspiring English Academy. In this lesson you can learn useful words in bedroom. Download our app. Inspiring English Academy. From link given in description. There are many free lessons to help you learn English. Enroll today and get 2 days free trial classes. Let's study today's lesson. Useful words in bedroom. Repeat after me. Bed. When do you go to bed? Comb. I want to comb my hair. Where is the comb? Mirror. Did you see your face in the mirror? Hairbrush. Where did you keep the hairbrush? Alarm clock. Did you set the alarm? Table lamp. Could I get the table lamp, please? Night table. Where is the night table? Nightstand. Would you please bring that nightstand here? Pillow. I don't sleep well without a pillow. Closet. Where is the closet? Nightgown. She looks beautiful in a nightgown. Pajamas. I usually put on pajamas at night. Chest of drawers. Did you clean the chest of drawers? Dresser. Where is the dresser? Go to bed. When do you usually go to bed? Get into bed. When did you get into bed? Read for a while. What did you read for a while before you went to sleep? Turn off the light. Why did you turn off the light? Sleep. When do you usually sleep? Fall asleep. When did that baby fall asleep? Wake up. When do you wake up? Subscribe and share this video to your friends. Your valuable comment will always motivate us. Have a happy learning with us.